think that would come out perfectly anyway. You can measure it, never comes out perfect.
So where are we gonna fly this thing? Get someone else to go on top of the roof and whip it off.
I think that'll leave the arm chip on the inside intact. Leave it like that. Should have the other way.
It should be the other way.
Yeah, it'll be on the side.
Yeah, it's a nice logo.
Yeah.
Dad, this is the best idea I had all day. No, I think it's a pretty damn good idea.
Why does it have to be on the bottom? You crease down the wings and you're good to go.
And he clanks in it.
This is heavy as fuck. It's never gonna do anything. This is gonna fall, but it's just for the look. Exactly. It's gonna sit between two chairs.
Alright, Frankie's banned from all aviation projects.
Oh no, I think you might be right. I'm sorry, I've never done it the other way.
I'm not an aircraft engineer.
This isn't exactly what we do in our spare time. We do electronics in our spare time. Oh yeah, greatest fucking Christmas present in the world.
What?
I'm gonna build a walk-in closet.
And then Tyson can come out of it? How's that?
I'm gonna build a walk-in closet and then put presents inside of it in the positions as if it was a closet.
That's pretty cool. Which way you got enough older? Backwards.
Yeah. Flat down, yeah.
Flat down?
You do both at the same time and then crease the other one back, or just?
Sure. Yeah.
Do you want to do it bigger? You can do the bigger wingspan?
I think a bigger wingspan would be a lot better. We gotta get it out the lab door, too. I still vote for the bigger wingspan.
I don't know, you guys should just run across the school with this.
School material in the world.
We had a problem, we wasted paper, we came up with a solution.
I don't know how to wait.
We're not just gonna throw it out, we're gonna create something.
Throw it out, like.
So you guys are gonna try to fly it, right?
Of course, I can film it too. If you're actually gonna try to
see,
fly
now the arm chip, now the arm isn't on the outside, so you can't even tell it's an arm chip.
Now it's just a big
Now it's just a ton of stuff on it.
Throw it out.
Throw it out. See, this should have been on the side of it.
Frankie.
Honestly.
Come on. Alright, let's fly it. Hello. Do you think this will fly?
Did you calculate hypotenuse divided by what?
I knew we forgot something. Oh.
It definitely will fly. If you are a pilot, go. What are you doing?
Out the door.
Not filming you.
Alright, take.
Gotta go this way. Okay, we go to like here, I'm betting. Ready? What are you doing? You filming this?
Yep, going.
1, 2, 3. What the hell, you thought it was?
It really is.
It kinda worked.
Where's the synchronous reset? No.
That's all right. Today, don't fly into the wind.